I was introduced to Davis, who actually took the whole session. I'm really impressed because I was introduced to this by a friend, but it's always good for you to, there's a saying that the truth of everything is just to be there and just to witness it. And throughout the presentation, everything was accurately presented. I had evidence from individuals who have benefited from the program, and it just heightened my interest to also take it up. Although I have my initial doubts, but at the end of the session, I'm well pleased. I'm well pleased that I was here.
I really enjoyed the program today. Joe really break down everything that you need to know. Initially, I was very skeptical of coming here, but getting here and listening to what he has to say make me to feel that he's the man, he knows what he's talking about, and he's ready to help. And I think that's really cracked it for me.
I think the workshop itself is designed for everyone. There's no specific people. You don't need to have any special abilities. All what you need to do is to take the initiative to come over. And Joe, who actually takes up the training, and with the able support of all the team, I think whatever your background, you will be helped along the way.
I've been in the care industry for a while, and I noticed that every time I come across people sending from agency, and I've been thinking over as how can I get into this industry for me to be able to help people as well. That's what motivates me to come here, having seen the advert in the Metro paper. It's the flexibility of working from your own home and then having enough time to do other things rather than 9-to-5 work, and also, generating more income for you to live on.
I think it's a very sad thing that it wasn't brought to my attention much earlier, but it's not too late. It's just a wonderful opportunity to extend this invitation to other people so that they too can grab the opportunity just to come and see and really manage their life in the best possible way.
Well, I'm looking forward to a bright future with this agency business. It's a big industry, so I hope in another 5 to 10 years' time, we'll be able to continue and have a legacy, something to left for my family.